Y'all, it's JJ. When I was getting ready to throw out that box, I realized I had forgotten to unbox these things. They were on the side there. So let me go ahead and open these up real quick. These are stickers. So these are my John Maxwell team stickers that I got to go on my folders there. These are with the white border. And you can see there. Now I did keep them in the safety line on the picture online, so I don't know why some of them are kind of right at that edge. We'll have to take them off and see how they look. Vistaprint normally does really good work, and if there's ever a time like that where like something didn't come out right, then they're usually very good about fixing it. Okay, so here's the ones with the red borders. And those look still kind of off-center. Let's just see how they look. Let's take one off and see how it looks. You want the sticker?
Yeah.
You want the sticker? Hold on. Let me put it on you. There we go. I guess that looks all right. Yeah.
And Bobby wants the sticker.
And Bubby, no, get off my folders, please. Get off my folders. Yeah. All right. Well, there you have it. Unboxing stickers. This is the circle stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess that's 30 per page. All right. There you have it.